Hey everybody, so tonight we are making Renee's order. I already printed up the graphic, and now I'm just going to weed, and then we are going to attach and then package. So Renee wanted a large purple V-neck shirt with the Cheshire Cat's face, like the eyes and the mouth. If you know who the Cheshire Cat is, you know Chess likes to disappear on everybody. And it's usually his eyes and his mouth that are left behind. And she wanted it in white vinyl, which is what we're doing, and with the same "We're All Mad" here. So like I said, this is Renee's order, and Renee is a longtime customer, but this is her first shirt order that she has placed. Typically what she orders from me is earrings. Those of you who have followed my shop for a while know that I started out doing earrings, and then I just moved on from there. And if you're wondering why my lighting looks a little off or a little strange, I am creating this at like 9 something at night. So I don't have the best lighting, and I also forgot to charge my ring light, so my ring light is currently on charge right now. And for anyone who is curious or inquiring, I do have a 30-day return policy on all of my t-shirts. So sizing varies based off if you get a crew neck or a V-neck. And majority of my shirts are V-necks, as I'm pretty sure you can tell it's a V-neck. Most of my shirts are V-necks, and like I wear a large in the V-neck t-shirt, and I'm not very busty, so anyone who's more on the busty side would probably want an extra large or bigger, just to account for that. And in case you guys are wondering, I know this looks like a regular iron, but this is actually not an iron. This is a specific brand, and it's meant to be used with this specific brand of vinyl. Eventually I want to get like the actual machine, like the press. I'm hoping maybe my husband might get it for me for our anniversary in July, but you never know. I'm fine doing it this way. It's a good little arm workout. Okay, so this is the final product. It's the Cheshire Cat, and it says, "We're all mad here," which honestly I love that saying. I really do. But this is the final product. This is what it looks like. And now I'm going to go hang this up on my against my photo backdrop and let it cool, so I can see if there's any pieces that need any extra heat, and then I will come back to you guys when it's time to package. Okay guys, so Renee's order is nice and cool. So now the next step is to package her order. So I'm just going to scoot this over just a little bit. Okay. So again, Renee's order was a large purple shirt with the "We're All Mad Here" Cheshire Cat logo with white lettering. We're going to go ahead and place one of our logo stickers. Logo sticker. We got our thank you sticker. And if you haven't seen my other videos where I'm packaging up customers' orders, I do always state that I make all of my thank you stickers and my logo stickers myself. Renee's also going to be getting a thank you card, which I do make these myself with writing on the back where I handwrite a message. And she is also going to be getting a business card, which I also make my business cards myself as well. And even though Renee is not a first-time customer, this is her first t-shirt order. So she's going to be getting one of these stickers, which is just a brunette girl because I'm brunette. It says Tease Jules right here on her sweatshirt, and it's got a little simple floral design in the back. And it is a sticker. So I'm going to be putting one of these in Renee's order as well. And because this is a shirt order, I also provide washing instructions. So turn garment inside out, wash or machine wash cold, don't use bleach, no fabric softeners, do not dry clean, do not iron, dry at normal dryer settings. And from what I've experienced myself, these t-shirts, the vinyl is good for up to 25 washes. I know some people have told me that it's lasted them longer. But anyway, so this video, if you guys are watching it, is on YouTube. So this sticker right here, this product was created on YouTube, which I also made this sticker myself as well. This sticker is going to be on the packaging as well. So if Renee wants to go onto my YouTube channel and check out how her order was made and how it was packaged, she's able to do so. And now this is the packaging that I package orders in. It's this pinkish purple metallic. I love this stuff. I don't know why, it's just very relaxing and mesmerizing just doing this in the light. But anyways, so when you open it up and you look, it's got the bubble wrap inside. So I'm going to try to do this right-handed instead of left-handed. Oh, wait, hang on. I grabbed the small bubble wrap one. Okay, so apparently I ran out of my large bubble wraps. So I'm going to have to pick some up at the store tomorrow. But not a big deal, not a big deal, because I can finish packaging this tomorrow. So when that happens, I take their order slip and I place it right here so I remember who it's going to, and I will just pick back up with this tomorrow.